Meaning of kohlrabi.
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 Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi is a type of vegetable that belongs to the cabbage family, Brassicaceae. The name kohlrabi comes from the German language, where kohl means cabbage and rabi means turnip. Kohlrabi has a round, bulbous shape and a crisp, white flesh that tastes similar to a mild, sweet turnip or cabbage. It is often eaten raw in salads, slaws, or as a crunchy snack, but can also be cooked in soups, stews, or roasted dishes. Kohlrabi is rich in vitamin C and fiber, making it a nutritious addition to a healthy diet.